Alright, y'all, so today, let's throw this New York steak strip on the grill. We're gonna season it up with these two right here. Get you a glove on. You wanna pat that in there, soak that down in there. Do that to both sides. Now, you don't have to do this, but I do it. Just to stick some of that seasoning down in there. Let's get that fire started. Get that fire going. Yeah, it's time to put that on there. Gotta sear it first. Three minutes. Let's flip it over. Flip that over. Oh yeah. That's what you want. You want them grill marks. Alright, now take that thing off that fire. Lay it off to the side. Ooh. Lay it off to the side. Let it cook. Ooh, it's time to flip that joint. Flip it. And that's murder she wrote. Fire's still going. But that's done. And that's how we gonna end that off, man. Something real quick. Steak and potato. Grilled. Comment, like, subscribe. Oh man, this is amazing. Perfect, y'all.